Are you looking for a superfood to help you shed those stubborn pounds? Look no further than the humble egg. Welcome to a culinary journey, where we unlock the weight loss potential of one of nature's most perfect foods, the egg. High in protein, low in calories, and packed with essential nutrients, eggs are a dieter's best friend. They're versatile, easy to prepare, and did we mention delicious? Today, we're serving up 4 egg-citing recipes, each one a testament to the power of the boiled egg in your weight loss journey. From a power-packed bowl to a spicy salad snack, from creative deviled eggs to a hearty breakfast burrito, these dishes are not only flavorful, but also designed to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. The magic of boiled eggs lies in their ability to provide a sense of satiety. This means you feel full for longer periods, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Plus, their high protein content helps build lean muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism and aid in weight loss. Ready to crack the weight loss code with eggs? Let's dive in. First up, we have the Boiled Egg Power Bowl, a protein-packed meal that will keep you full and satisfied. This Power Bowl is more than just a meal, it's a feast for the senses. It's vibrant, it's fresh, and it's customizable to your taste buds. Here's how you whip it up. Start with your base of leafy greens. Spinach, kale, romaine, take your pick or mix them all. Next, add a generous serving of your favorite veggies. Think cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers. Don't forget to add a punch of protein with boiled eggs. 2 halves or maybe 4 if you're feeling peckish. Now let's talk customization. You can add a dollop of hummus, a sprinkle of feta, or even a handful of olives. Don't hold back on the healthy fats, they're essential for absorption of vitamins and minerals, and they'll keep you feeling full for longer. Toss it all together and voila! You have yourself a boiled egg power bowl. This isn't just a meal, it's a strategy. It's about combining protein with a variety of nutrients to create a balanced and satisfying meal that does more than just fill your stomach. It fuels your body, keeps cravings at bay, and supports your weight management journey. With the Boiled Egg Power Bowl, you're not just eating, you're fueling your body. Next, let's spice things up with a flavorful and healthy spicy egg salad snack. Imagine if you could enjoy a snack that is both tantalizing to the taste buds and a friend to your waistline. Well, that's exactly what our spicy egg salad snack is all about. To kickstart this tasty journey, we begin with boiled eggs, a protein powerhouse that not only keeps you feeling full but also fuels your body throughout the day. But we're not stopping there. We're adding a mix of spices and herbs that not only dance on your palate, but also offer a myriad of health benefits. Think cayenne pepper with its metabolism-boosting properties, or turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Even the humble black pepper comes packed with antioxidants. These spices elevate the humble egg salad from a mundane snack to a flavor-packed health booster. And the best part? This spicy egg salad snack is as portable as it gets. Tuck it into a whole grain sandwich or enjoy it with some crunchy veggies. The choice is yours. It's a versatile snack that's perfect for those busy days when you need a quick pick-me-up that also keeps those hunger pangs at bay. Who knew a simple egg salad could pack such a flavorful and healthy punch? Now let's get creative with some deviled eggs with a twist. This is where we elevate a simple snack into a culinary experience, all while keeping your health in mind. Deviled eggs, a classic favorite, are about to get a serious upgrade. Imagine a creamy filling full of flavor and zest tucked into a perfectly boiled egg white. The secret to these deviled eggs is in the filling. Be adventurous and don't shy away from adding some unique ingredients. Try avocado for a creamy, healthy fat boost, or a dash of hot sauce for a fiery kick. Even a sprinkle of smoked paprika can transform these little bites into a flavor explosion. But there's more to these deviled eggs than just their taste. They're also a secret weapon for portion control. Each egg half is a self-contained snack, making it easy to keep track of how much you're eating. Plus, with the high protein content of the eggs, you'll feel satisfied after just a couple of these delightful morsels. So why not give these deviled eggs a twist? They're a snack that's not only delicious but also beneficial to your health. With these deviled eggs, you're sure to be the life of the party, and the healthiest one at that. Finally, we're wrapping things up with an Eggcellent breakfast burrito. This isn't just any breakfast burrito, it's a protein-packed, flavor-filled morning meal that will keep you satisfied and energized all day. The secret to this burrito's success lies in its boiled egg filling. The humble boiled egg is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. It's a fantastic ingredient that not only adds a delicious taste but also helps keep you fuller for longer. Now let's talk about the other components of this breakfast burrito. Choosing a whole wheat tortilla is a smart move. It's high in fiber, which aids digestion and gives you a steady release of energy throughout the day. The fillings for this burrito are key. We're talking about fresh veggies, lean proteins, and a sprinkle of cheese. These ingredients not only make your burrito tasty but also create a balanced meal that nourishes your body and supports your weight management goals. So, what's the benefit of this filling breakfast? It's simple. A healthy, protein-rich breakfast like our Eggcellent breakfast burrito can boost your metabolism, help control your appetite, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day's eating habits. Start your day the Eggcellent way with this protein-packed breakfast burrito. And there you have it, 4 egg-citing ways to boil your way to weight loss. Infusing eggs into your diet offers a protein-packed, satisfying path to shedding pounds. They're versatile, nutritious, and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more Eggcellent recipe ideas. Here's to your health and happy cooking.